Have you felt like YouTube is watching you like a hawk, ready to pounce at the slightest mistake? Or are you a new creator, dreaming of becoming the next MrBeast, but scared of that dreaded red card, channel termination? Well, worry no more, because today we are about to decode the ancient scroll of YouTube spam, scams, and deceptive practices policies. Stay with me, it's about to get spicy. Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with ElJoe, where confusion melts like ice under the sun, where education meets elevation, content meets clarity, and legends are born. I am Dec3ptive, but feel free to call me ElJoe or Professor ElJoe. I am your seasoned teacher and your modern day YouTube Moses, sent not with a staff but with truth, tips, and timeless wisdom to guide creators and curious minds to absolute success. This is Harvard with Vibes, the Mango Tree Classroom, the University of YouTube Wisdom. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you haven't. Having done that, let's dive in. First thing first, what are community guidelines? Well, in the world of YouTube, community guidelines are like 10 commandments, divine laws carved in the cloud, not stone. They are the rules of the road of how to behave on YouTube. They are like traffic signs, disobey them, road safety and LASMA go finish you. They govern everything, your videos, comments, links, posts, even your private content. If you violate them, boom, strike 1, 2, 3, game over. There's an African proverb that says, a child who doesn't listen to warnings will follow the path of ruin. Damn! What exactly is spam, scam, and deceptive policy? As a professor, this policy forbids you from deceiving, misleading, or manipulating people on YouTube, whether through your content, thumbnail, metadata, or links. It is YouTube's way of saying, don't play with our community. As a kindergartner, this policy says, don't lie, don't cheat, don't trick, be clear, clean, and honest. If you don't follow, YouTube's automated robots will flag you faster than you can say subscribe. Then human reviewers, like judges in robes of lightning, might swing the ban hammer. Copy-paste catastrophe, that is video spam. Posting the same video everywhere or tricking people off YouTube like a mosquito on a night video, that is wahala. Thumbnail trickery or misleading metadata. Don't promise Beyonce and show a chicken chasing a goat. Nah, that is deception. Scams, money mirage, get rich quick schemes, fake giveaways or pyramid plans. Nope, this isn't Naira or dollar rain season. Incentivization spam, offering likes, subs, or views in exchange. If you like this video or subscribe to this channel, I will give you the latest phone. No. Stop it. I know you have heard or seen this for opt-in times. That is the tactics of the big creators. Like I always say, they are already chilling in the YouTube VIP lounge. So you and I must be extremely careful, for it is the shortcut to the channel graveyard. Comment spam. Don't litter other creators' comment section with spammy links or weird sites. Thought content abuse, streaming full movies, albums, or stolen content. That is copyright begging. That is another topic on its own. Stay tuned for that. YouTube doesn't pity ignorance, like I always say. Know the rules, like your life depends on it, because your channel's life does. Examples to paint it clearly for you. A thumbnail showing Ronaldo, but it is a cooking vlog. Deception. posting miracle cure links, snake oil my dear. Comments like get free robots here, strike loading, sub to me, I will sub back. That is illegal transaction in YouTube's currency. If you violate this policy, you will be warned for the first time. YouTube may send you to school. If you pass, the warning expires in 90 days. But if the violation is severe, it is red card straight, no warning. If you violate again and you are lucky, you will have the first strike. It's like yellow card, no uploading for 1 week. If you violate again and you are lucky, you have the second strike. It's like second yellow card, no uploading for 2 weeks. And if you violate again and you are lucky, after all, this is the last. It's like red card, warning straight, permanent ban. You will kiss your channel goodbye. 1 blow, 7 die.
1 part, 7 die. 7 die.
Let me educate you further. These rules don't just apply to videos, they also apply to descriptions, comments, community posts, thumbnails, external links, and live streams. Always ask yourself, is this honest? Is this mine? Will this mislead anyone? Here is a golden quote to avoid YouTube wahala or problem. Number 1, be honest. Number 2, create your own content. Number 3, don't trick or deceive. Number 4, don't bait for likes or subs. Number 5, don't use fake thumbnails. Don't use clean picture only for me to see is peller or portable. I'm just kidding. Lesson summary. Spam, repeating content or tricking viewers. Comment spam, begging or dropping shady links. Link spam, dangerous redirects. Misleading titles, lying via thumbnail or title. Scams, fake promises, fake giveaways. Incentivization, bribing for likes or subs. Do any of these, boom, kiss your channel goodbye. My brother, my sister, if you want to shine on YouTube, you must play by the book. Don't be like the lizard that fell from the Iroko tree and nodded to itself. So learn, act, grow, and glow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts, your experiences, or your burning questions in the comments. We are listening. Share this video. You might just save a YouTuber's life. Subscribe to Learn with ElJoe and turn on the notification bell icon so you never miss any class from the University of YouTube Wisdom. Till next time, stay educated, stay smart, stay safe, and remember, ignorance is not an excuse. It is a trap. Knowledge is power and your currency. And ElJoe is your plug. If you know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. See you in the next video. This is Professor ElJoe signing off. Peace out.
Living life every day.